Welcome to Chronicle Insight, where the past shapes the present and the truth lies between the headlines. Each episode, we explore the events that define our world, from untold history to unfolding reality, with clarity, depth, and perspective you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive in. For over 4,500 years, the Great Pyramids of Giza have stood like timeless sentinels, guarding secrets buried beneath the desert sands. But now, cutting-edge technology is peeling back the layers of time, revealing what some believe could be the key to an ancient, underground world. Could these monuments be more than just tombs? Could they be the surface of something far more mysterious? The pyramids have fascinated historians, adventurers, and dreamers for centuries. Built with a level of precision that continues to defy explanation, they've inspired endless debate. Were they royal tombs, power plants, star maps, or something else entirely? And what lies beneath them has remained largely unexplored, until now. In March 2025, an international team of researchers from Italy and Scotland deployed advanced synthetic aperture radar, SR, to peer deep beneath the Giza Plateau. What they discovered stunned the scientific world. A vast network of subterranean chambers and corridors, stretching nearly 2 kilometers below the surface. They detected 8 vertical shafts, each plunging over 600 meters into the earth. These shafts converge on 2 immense cube-shaped chambers, each roughly 80 meters wide. To put that in perspective, that's almost the size of an entire soccer field, buried underground. This wasn't the first time unseen chambers had been discovered. Back in 2017, the Scan Pyramids project used muon tomography, a technique powered by cosmic rays, to detect a mysterious big void above the Grand Gallery in Khufu's pyramid. At over 30 meters long, its purpose remains unknown. No one has entered it. No one knows what's inside. These revelations have reignited some very old and very controversial ideas. Could these underground structures be remnants of a lost civilization? Some point to ancient Egyptian texts that describe the mythical halls of Amenti, hidden chambers said to contain forgotten knowledge. Others propose a more esoteric theory, that the pyramids served as vibrational power stations or initiatory gateways used by high priests. While mainstream archaeologists reject these ideas, the fact remains, no one really knows what lies beneath. But not everyone is convinced. Renowned Egyptologist Dr. Zahi Hawass called the recent SR findings fake, citing the lack of peer-reviewed evidence. Other experts caution that radar data can easily be misinterpreted, mistaking geological formations for man-made architecture. So, is this science or science fiction? Despite the controversy, efforts to investigate continue. Next-generation scanning, AI modeling, and even autonomous tunneling drones are being proposed to verify the findings without disturbing the structures above. The next few years may finally tell us whether we're on the edge of rewriting history, or simply chasing shadows beneath the sand. If these underground structures are confirmed, they could dramatically shift how we view not only ancient Egypt but human civilization itself. The idea that a highly advanced network of chambers exists beneath the Giza Plateau raises a fundamental question. Were the Egyptians far more advanced than we've ever imagined, or are we looking at remnants of a civilization that predated them entirely? Such a revelation would challenge the current historical timeline. It could suggest that advanced engineering knowledge existed long before the rise of dynastic Egypt, possibly even inherited or rediscovered knowledge from a forgotten chapter of humanity. This isn't just about archaeology, it touches everything from anthropology to physics, even philosophy. What else have we overlooked? What other monuments around the world might also be built atop hidden truths? And then there's the enduring mystery of how the pyramids were constructed in the first place. The Great Pyramid of Khufu consists of over 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. To this day, no one knows for certain how these massive stones were quarried, transported, and placed with such extreme precision, especially without the use of wheels, cranes, or modern machinery. Traditional theories involve large workforces, ramps, and sleds, but none have fully accounted for the logistical scale or the minute accuracy involved. The stones are aligned so perfectly that some joints are tighter than a human hair, and the pyramid itself is aligned almost exactly with true north, something difficult to achieve even today. If the same society that built the pyramids also engineered complex underground structures, we're talking about a level of sophistication that would force us to reconsider what ancient civilizations were truly capable of. It could mean rethinking what we define as primitive, and reevaluating the linear model of human progress that places modern technology at the pinnacle of all achievement. In other words, if even a fraction of these discoveries are real, the story of humanity might be much older and far more complicated than we've been taught. Whether these new discoveries confirm ancient myths, rewrite history, or simply deepen the mystery, one thing is certain: this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what we uncover next. And remember, sometimes the past isn't buried, it's just waiting to be found. Thanks for watching.